It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you, so let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
Hi, neighbor. My name is Jakarri, aka Interstellar, and I'm one of the co-owners of the Runway Boys. I received this bag from my friend Danny over in China. He wanted me to check this out, so I actually took it with me on a trip out to Hawaii. I just got back, as you can see, relaxed and ready to show you guys my review of really a great travel bag, a great garment bag, a great tote to bring with you. So check out my review. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, what's going on, people? My name is Jakarri. We are out here in Hawaii, right around Waikiki, and got a little care package here. I haven't opened it yet, but this should be my grooming bag. We'll do a little quick review, see if I can get all this stuff in here, see how it fits. So let's check it out. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Oh, wow. I didn't see this. Yeah, okay, this is real nice. Tan leather. But what I really like, you can see here, is this inscription of the plane right here. Lifestyle. With the plane flying, so that's a nice touch. You know I'm a traveler, Runway Boys. But this is a really good wrapping. That's something you always tell high quality products that come in good wrapping, good branding. Ooh, this is soft leather. Okay. All right, just a little instruction about how to keep your bag so it keeps this shape here. And this is vegetable tan leather. It's a little care instructions. Over time, your bag's leather will mold itself to the items. That's good. So it doesn't say stiff. You can probably put it in your bag, get in your bag nice. Use a moisturizer. YKK zippers. Yeah, those are some of the best zippers. We use those on our clothing, so that's very good. Let's go here. We got the little compartment here. Oh yeah, okay, that's nice. You got another zipper part right here. Luxology Lifestyle. There's a little code on the back I can't give y'all because I'm gonna use this myself. But shout out to Luxology Lifestyle for this bag. Let me see here. Okay, got a nice thing. You can hang it up too. Whoop. Hang it up in your bathroom. See what else we got here. Side compartment here. Okay, this does not lead to the main compartment, so you could probably fit a couple things in here. Let me see. This probably fit perfect for my contact case. You come in with your contact case. A couple smell goods. Let me put this on. There's some freaks at the airport. Yeah, hit the smell goods. Wrap that up. Put that in there, that's good. We have another side compartment here. I don't have any other small things I could put in here, maybe my lotion. See if I can fit my lotion in here. Yeah, I can do it. Gotta get it in there right. Zip it up from the side. It stretches a little, but yeah, that works. Stuff over here. We got the big compartment on the side. Look at this stuffing. See, this is not normal paper. Like I said, you can tell quality products. It's not normal paper, so they have a good stuffing in here. Followed by more paper in here. This is good. This is good. It's almost like a foam, like a styrofoam. Yeah.
good. Nice deep area. Inner lining looks good. Good quality stretches. I love that leather smell. So, toothbrush. See if I can put my hair clippers in here. I know we travel with hair clippers a lot. Still looks like I got a lot of space in here. Put contact bottle. Toothpaste. I could probably get this, right here on the side. So it's fairly big. You get most of your toiletries in here, and if I wouldn't have put my clippers case in, I could have put this in here, but it's empty anyway. I just did it for the visual, so that's good. But then I also have this front pocket here. Oh my goodness, this has got so much space. Okay, so you got another front pocket here that does not, none of these pockets connect to the middle, so these are all different sections. You want to keep your stuff separate. You got a whole nother case in here. Oh, it's still too big, but yeah, that works. If I move this out, put the toothpaste in here, put that in here, you got that stretched leather, boom, got the whole case in here. I didn't even try this. I didn't try this before I opened it. Of course, you see it wasn't open, so there's no way for me to try it. Everything works. That's perfect. That's a good bag, sturdy. Got soft leather. You can throw this in your suitcase, or if you just want to travel like this, have a little carry-on. That's good. That's good for traveling. I like that. I like this case, so I would suggest it. I would definitely suggest it. Man, drop it. Look like nothing's gonna pop open. Everything's zippered up. Doesn't appear anything's leaking. It's a solid case. And I happen to know the owner, so I know he puts in the work to give you good quality. He's not trying to scam you or try to give you some junk. This is really a great bag. I really appreciate this. So I recommend it. Runway Boys, Jakarri, Hawaii. I'm definitely using it. I'm already packed, so we're good to go. I give this a 5 stars. I say 5 stars out of 5 stars. It's really good. I really like that it's leather. It's quality. It looks elegant. That tan leather. You know, grown man shit.